Ladies and gentlemen, we're here at the Tyco Air Show, sitting under the wing of a plane, in the shade. It's only a Cessna 150, but it's got a wing. So here we are, under the wing. This is behind the hangar. And again, I got the best seats in the house. In a little while, all the jets will be out. But I'm not supporting anything this year, man. I'm sitting here on the sidelines. The VAC sold the A4, so I won't be supporting that forever. And Doug didn't fly this year, so he didn't bring his armada of jets, which basically for the VAC is like a private air force. Look what Jake found.
Yeah, I saw that. I forgot this was here. Cool.
How about that?
How about that? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, he wants to crash in the airplane. There's Jake. Jake at the air show, cruising on his three-wheel buggy.
Alright. Everybody's happy now.
Come here, Jake. Come here, you gotta turn it around. Yeah, like that. Uh-oh. Come on, no. Come here. Motherfucker. Come on. Man. La-di-da. Come on this way, steer this way. Steer it this way. Yeah. Hit the button and steer this way. Come on. Yeah, steer this way. Come on. Oh! Wipe out. That's it. Dust yourself off and get back on, boy. Come on, steer this way. Here, this way. Push the button. Oh. What, all you know is left? Okay, you can be a NASCAR driver. Here, turn right. Turn right. Man. Oh, you got to turn around all by yourself.